Just almost missed the sirens. They are quite quiet. Then Furness Vale, this is either in Yorkshire or Derbyshire. Trains here between Buxton, Manchester, Piccadilly. It's on the same line as Woodsmore level crossing. You might not quite hear the sound because an ambulance or police car was going off then, but they're quite quiet. And for some reason, this railway station has not got a screen to tell me what time the train's coming. Here's trains to Buxton on this platform. On the other platform, the train's going to Manchester Piccadilly. Nice little town, old town though. And they go on the footbridge. Very old town this is, I think, so I can tell by the buildings. I don't understand though why the railway station has got no screen. Furness Vale railway station says for the Peak Forest Canal and then something way. Train coming, going from Manchester Piccadilly to Buxton. Going to Furness Vale. Barriers are going up. Steve has filmed this level crossing and what caught the sirens. I'm not surprised because those sirens are actually very quiet. Almost as quiet as Crosby level crossing sirens. I think they ought to put level crossings on shore, so that's why they put them on that long. That's why people like, you know, go jump over the barrier and like, you know, can get removed by a train. That's why I think they ought to put, like, you know, fully barrier level crossings on shore. So. And that's it.